Hello, I'm Chai. Today is Wednesday. Today we are going to talk about the triple bottom line. The triple bottom line is divided into three aspects. The first is environment, the second is society, and the third is economy. With the complexity of the society environment, the involvement of management accounting has changed. The perspective of enterprise management accounting in addition to focus on profitability, but also need to pay attention to environmental responsibility and society responsibility, and the triple bottom line with economic, ecological, and society three criteria to measure the success of enterprise or society. Therefore, enterprise need to build a management accounting framework on basis of the triple bottom line. This paper, through the review of the triple bottom line, 3, expounds the impact of the triple bottom line, 3, on the management accounting framework, and then puts toward the construction of the management accounting framework based on business errors. Then my partner Bin talk about.
Hi, we first to discuss about the environment. We can clearly see in the video in a large space. Hundreds of machine operating at the same time. That time you will produce a lot of code. So we need to install the water cooling device to heat and protect the environment. It is benefits both the company and the environment, so we have to do so. Next, let's talk about society. As the name suggests, the society is to give employees a good working environment and easy work. From video, we can see that Google does a very good job. Set up activities rooms for employees where there are all kinds of internet projects which can make employees do activities in their space time, help them relax clearly, and make them a good model to finish the following work.
Well, family, let's talk about the economy. From the economic aspect, it is really important to ensure the interests of the society and to protect the environment. Video in the establishment of a database system is used to manage data. The establishment of mathematical, logical, and set operation based on with high efficiency, reliability, and integrity. It is the best choice for data control of business system, and high technology is also a very important link. Now, Everyone is using high technology have achieved different effects. Google company has achieved good results. Okay, those are the 3 key points of the triple bottom line. Thank you for listening.